Right, we're down at Charles Bridge, down in Belfast, and we're with Your Nan to shovel.
Subscribe.
Yeah, we'll put the link in the description. And well, how we look about it, loads of guys come down and kayak down here and stuff, and hopefully there's a couple of like
dropped a bunch of GoPros or something like that.
Yeah, maybe 5 fall for kayaks and stuff. So. Yeah. Well, how we look, see what the crack is.
In my autism friendly mask. Stupid.
Did you get footage of that, eh? Lovely. Right, so give us a rundown.
I don't know. I was getting sucked into there. That looked like it. And I grabbed this on like the way in.
So I'll like give us a rundown. How are you feeling your first AMOS video?
It's really cool. Like I didn't know there's gonna be all these like natural water slide looking things. So the current's getting quite strong.
Yeah, be careful.
That's not saying a joke.
At least if you die, we can put Gone Wrong in the title.
Yeah.
FIFA pack opening. 99 Ronaldo, gone wrong, gone sexual.
In the hood.
In the hood.
Just chucked me, yeah. Ah, my knees. Yeah. Here, stick out if you want. Yo. Man, that's good. There's a fucking biker. Yo, look over there, see there? Look how many GoPros I got. What is that? Card? Is it? No way. Oh, it is? Man, I found sunglasses. Ray-Bans? Kinda look like Ray-Bans.
Benny, come on.
What are you doing in my swamp?
You look like one of those narwhal things coming up.
Narwhal things? Do you not just mean a narwhal?
Do you want to shut up, please?
What is that, a bottle of bucky?
That's a bucky.
If it's a bottle of bucky, happy. Just give me that.
That was very disappointing.
Check it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll not be that good.
edit on some apps.
Yeah, no, edit on it like a 6-pack.
I actually quite like it. It's find the best.
Yeah, yo, it's got boobies, like what?
It does. It actually does.
So, Joe, take them through your finds and I'll take them through mine.
Alright, so.
Which is like, I only found like 2. Hey, no, that's mine.
Alright, okay.
Where's yours? Where's the credit card? My credit
Credit
card.
card is in my pocket.
You instructed.
Here, just hang on. Just more calling.
Right, I'll do mine
take
first.
your
I'll
golf.
take, yeah. Well, obviously we find like a
Ton of golf balls.
lot of golf balls.
Because I think there's a golf course.
First thing I found was this, which was, it's a carabiner clip, which is quite cool. It's still usable, to be honest. I mean,
It's actually pretty good.
yeah.
Why don't you like get some WD-40?
WD-40, that shit, yeah. And then next thing I found was this. It's actually a rubber, but it's rock hard at the minute. Gonna use that for school. This credit card that belongs to Leonard Smith is also probably my best find. And then you chucked a fucking rubber duck down at me, so
Find that.
found that. Joe found a lot more. So
I didn't really find a lot more.
Yeah,
I
you
found
did.
a wee spermy.
a spermy.
Spermy.
That's
Not
not what you- is it?
fisherman's cheese. I found these. Shit, you can't even see them. I don't know what you call this. But I
It's
think
a-
the fish like see that deflection of the flash and then they come over. And get it. They
Eat
eat that.
Eat that.
Got a little torch. Oh, happy days. Yo, what is this?
Yo, grab
What the hell?
attach,
Grappling
wait,
hook.
attach the fuck. You attach that to it, and then you've got a grappling hook.
Yeah, well, I've got. I don't know what it is then. Surgical scissors. I don't know what you call it. A wee battery, shotgun cartridge, wee woman.
What are we gonna call it? What are we calling that? That's Leonard.
I don't
That's
know.
Leonard Smith.
There's Leonard Smith. There's his credit card. Put Leonard Smith and his credit card together.
I found all this other crap and I don't know. It doesn't have a brand name on it, like, but
Pretty some
They're called
some slick shades.
Roy Bends.
Leonard Smiths.
you can't see through them at all. Like, but yeah.
Job well done,
That's what we
chaps.
got.
Sweet, happy days.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up here and see if I can find my snorkel now.
Make things right. You just have to believe in fate.
Ollie, you were covered in dog shit and you had to blame it on